Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to talk about our new update to our generator TE460-137. The TE460-137 is an HDMI tester, and you can use it to test cables, produce video or generate video, or analyze HDMI signal at different resolutions. And the different resolution is a big deal because you now can test the cables at different resolutions, you can test the monitors at different resolutions, and you can analyze all the different resolutions. So today we introduced a new easy mode software for the generator. It's an upgrade, so if you would like an upgrade, please give us a call and we'll help you to get your unit upgraded. Let's go ahead and review our easy mode features. On the screen I have two cameras on the left hand side, one camera displaying the pattern or video that we're going to be passing through the tester, the other camera displaying the actual unit and where we're going to see how it operates, and I'm going to show you how to turn it on and how to set things up. And on the right hand side we have just a demonstration and a diagram showing the main screen with the resolutions. The TE460-137 has three modes of operation. One is the cable mode, which is designated by cable T. One is the pattern mode, designated by pattern, and one is the analyzer mode. Let's go ahead and start from the cable mode, and as I turn unit on, it will come up with a new version, R2, and it will show easy mode. So now we're in the cable test mode. 1920 by 1080, 60 Hertz. So I'm going to plug the cable and see if we can test it at that resolution and see if it passes the test. After you plug the cable in, it takes about 2 seconds and the test starts automatically. And so far it passes the signal, 1920 by 1080, 60 Hertz. And you can see there's a pass right here. Let's go ahead and adjust different resolution. I'm going to go up in resolution all the way to 4K at 60 Hertz. Press Enter key and retest the cable at this resolution. And sure enough, it passed also again. So let's see if it will pass even higher resolution. I'm going to go up to 4096 by 2160 at 60 Hertz and enter, and let's test the cable. And it passed also. So now I'm going to plug in a different cable that's only designed for 2K. See how the tester works. Alright, it's 2K cable, and you can see once it's running at this resolution it failed bandwidth. So let's go ahead and decrease the resolution to 60 Hertz, 3840 by 2160. Press Enter key to rerun the test. And it failed also. So let's go ahead and decrease the resolution to 1920 by 1080. At 60 Hertz and see how that works. Retest by pressing Enter key. It takes 10 seconds and now it passed. So that's what's so important about this cable tester. The only cable tester on the market that can test the cables at any resolution you want and give you a definitive answer if the cable will pass the signal or not. The next mode we're going to go to is a pattern generator mode. So I'm going to go ahead and change the cables and connect the monitor. And I'm going to switch it now to pattern generator. Takes a few seconds for it to adjust. And now we're displaying the pattern, and you can see there's a couple of things here. There's a resolution. There's a pattern, which is in this case color bar, volume that you can adjust, and audio format. In the resolution I can press Enter key and I can decrease the resolution, let's say to 1920 by 1080, press again, and it will switch the output resolution. If you press down key to color bar and press Enter, you can now also adjust a pattern. So this one yellow, I can go up crosshatch and press enter key, and it will switch to crosshatch. Now keep in mind, not every generator has a crosshatch pattern. If you have an older generator, you may not have this particular pattern, but the software is still going to work. We can go to volume, adjust the volume, and you can also adjust audio format. So enter and adjust audio format between 7.1, 5.1, and stereo. So that's a pattern generator. The next mode of operation is analyzers. I'm going to connect source to the input of the analyzer, and the output will go to the monitor. So we have a source connected to the analyzer. From analyzer it goes to the display, and you can see that we're currently displaying 4K resolution, HDCP off, HDMI is RGB format, and we have 7.1 audio. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the HDCP on my source, and you can see HDCP 1.4 is displayed. I can go ahead and switch it to 2.2, and you can see that it should synchronize it to 2.2, and there we have it. I can also change the resolution on the source, 1920 by 1080, and the analyzer will display a new resolution. So the analyzer is really good to understand where the signal is coming through the system, and understand the HDCP level that is used and what type of format, whether it's an RGB or YPBPR, and what type of audio is passing through. So this is the easy mode for the TE460 137 tester, and with the three modes of cable testing, generator, and analyzer. Very easy to use and very convenient. If you want more sophisticated control, you can switch it to advanced mode by pressing task mode button and hold it for 2 seconds, and it switches to advanced mode, and there's a separate video to go through the advanced mode and tell you how to set this up. Thank you for listening.